Well, I think I finally got the right camera angle here today. So I think I owe you guys a video. Welcome back to Another Man's Customs. I'm Tim. You've been watching me since February, and I haven't done many videos lately because as probably half the country is in an extensive heat wave, I don't have an air-conditioned garage, so I'm not gonna kill myself to get the car done because I got time. But anyway, I haven't been working on the car because of the heat, because of all the smoke in the air that a lot of the country's suffering. So I guess we're all on the same boat together. So what I thought I would do today is kind of do a review video, if you will, about where this all started and where it's going to go. So it started in 2023 with the Gremlin. That's when I got the Gremlin. But before that, there were two other cars. There was the AMX that you see next to me here, and there was a 1965 Marlin. And that's the car that started everything for me here in this garage. And I'll show you some pictures of the car. I'm going to explain how the AMX came here, and everything is going to be photos with my voice over it because that far back I wasn't videotaping anything, wasn't into the YouTube scene at the time. So now that I'm doing the YouTube and hopefully getting better at editing, I'm going to kind of give you a background history of how this started, why it started, and where it's going to go. So that's what I'd like to do today. I would really appreciate it if you would start asking me some questions. You know, send some questions in. Tell me what you'd like to see after this video going forward, as far as what do you want to see me fabricate? What do you want to see me as far as body work and prepping the AMXGT that the Gremlin is now becoming. If you go back 10 days ago, I put a video out there of getting the left side of the Gremlin quarter panel and primer. So let's continue on with the video. Again, I want to thank you all for watching me since I started this last February. It's been my privilege to hear from a lot of you. One of the things I wanted to explain that I guess motivated me to make a YouTube channel showing the conversion of this Gremlin into an AMX GT was some other YouTubers. The gentleman up in Canada that runs Half-Ass Garage on his YouTube channel, he does some incredible work. He fabricates. He does the laser welding. He's got a laser torch, and he's got a lot of great things that you know, you get ideas from watching other people, and he's very innovative, and he does some great work. So he was one guy that really impressed me. And then the other guy that also motivated me to do this channel is Derek Barry from Vice Grip Garage, and he was at the Iola Car Show this past weekend, and my son and I and his friend Scott, we went to the car show up in Iola, and I really wanted to see Derek's presentation. He was there 3 days. He did a car there in a patriotic red, white, and blue scheme. It was a Ford Galaxy. I want to say a 62 or 3. He's got a video out on that, so you can see that. And it's just seeing guys like Vice Grip Garage and Half-Ass Customs, that really makes a difference as far as motivating you to you know, do something similar. So that's why I started this channel. I enjoy those guys. I enjoy you know, I could think of at least 25 different car shows that you could watch on YouTube, and they're all at different levels of different budgets. One thing nice about the two guys I mentioned, they're guys in their own garage at the level they can afford, and a couple things that you learn as you go along is upgrade tooling as you can afford it. Don't overextend yourself. And I've got a few new tools since I started in February, nothing elaborate, but seeing a lot of these guys shows you ways to bend metal, fabricate things, and hopefully what I'm doing at a lower budget inspires some of you out there to, hey, why can't I do this? I'm going to give it a try just like he does. I'm sure you can surpass anything I do with as you go along and get better, maybe improve your equipment a little and go from there. But I think a lot of the fun for me is doing it at a basic level and being able to show that you can do this with the basic body shop tools, a welder, get a couple bending tools and cutting tools, and you could pretty much make anything you want. So with that, let's get into the video that I talked about, and we'll get this update going. And thanks again for watching since February. Please ask me questions. I want to show you what you would like to see. So let's go forward. So another person I'd like to thank is my beautiful wife, standing there, Renee. And she's been with me almost about 50 years this October, and she's put up with a lot of car shenanigans over the years. So she's the glue. That's what I need to tell you. So this was my 65 Rambler Marlin. I got it from a dealer in St. Louis. I had it brought up here. I kept it about a year, had a lot of fun with it. And then I traded it for the 68 AMX. So that trade got me that AMX, which was a true 390 4-speed car, posi rear end, only it did not have an engine. So everything else was there. Came with some new bumpers, a new carpet. Everything else was there, full interior. Needed a headliner. So I started working on it. So you could see I had my work cut out for me. First thing I did was put it on a rotisserie. So I had to fabricate some frame rails, a couple inches here and there. I had to do inner frame rails. So there was some intensive work that winter. Wheel houses, lower quarters. I put the aftermarket lower quarter panels on it, both sides, right and left. So I worked on it all winter, and probably by late spring, I was able to take it off the rotisserie. And what I'm going to do now is play a little music and show you the process of restoring the body on that AMX. Okay, if you're wondering about the engine, it's a 343, and as I mentioned, the car was originally a 390, and it's still a four-speed, it's still a posi, but like I said, it came with no engine. So I ended up getting a good deal on a 343, and I had it rebuilt at a place called Full Bore Automotive, and that's in Dodgeville, Wisconsin. And it's a 10 2-to-1 compression. I'm running a Atomic EFI made by MSD, and the distributor is a Street Strip Davis. It's a DUI ignition, so it's a nice setup. The fuel injection has been flawless. It comes with one of those looks like a computer touchpad where you can see everything that's going on with the engine, get all the readings. This thing constantly tunes that motor while it's running. So I've been running it 3 summers now. I haven't had one lick of problem, knock on wood. Here's the wood. So I hope it keeps going just like it does. And it dynoed out at about 320 horsepower. So that's plenty for me. I'm not drag racing the car. I'm just cruising on the street with it, take it on the interstate. I baby it. I have a lot of fun with it. So it's more than I need. So we went from the 65 Marlin to a rough looking AMX that ended up looking like this. So I'm happy with the way the AMX turned out. It's a lot of fun to drive. My son likes driving it. People like looking at it. And the big thing at the car shows is people say they don't see them anymore. So I'll take that as a win. And here's where we are currently. But this is what we started with. You look at that gremlin, and I know some of you gremlin purists are going to worry about it being a Levi's gremlin, but it was one rotted out car. It's all I know. Had I done it over, I would have probably not bought that particular one, but I drove 6 hours to get it, and I wasn't going to come home, empty handed. So you can see that she was a real beaut, and I had my work cut out for me, so I started stripping her down. Well, once we got it stripped down, we took everything off that would unbolt: suspension, front and rear axles, everything. The interior was gutted, everything cleaned out, and we started welding in floors and rockers. You saw in some of the videos all the fabrication I had to do for the rockers. And then we put that front clip on from the white AMX that I had purchased. And that's where we're at today. So I'm pretty happy with what's happened. We're to the point now where the body's almost intact. I started on one of the A pillars, and that'll be my next video, how I did the A pillars. And then we'll be able to really go to town on some body work. So this is where I'm going to end the video. I thank you for sticking with this far. If you have, if you jump back and forth, that's fine too, because there's a lot of information and me talking here, not a lot of music, not a lot of grinding, welding, and cutting like you're used to. So I do appreciate your time spent viewing this. Well, I do have a couple of part-time jobs I've got to take care of in August and September, so we'll probably be down to probably one video a month. Please tune in and look at those. We're going to try to make a lot of progress after that and start getting into some real body work where you can see the car really take shape and form. So once again, thank you for joining Another Man's Customs. It's a lot of fun for me to make these and present them to you, and I hope you're enjoying them, and I hope you get information out of it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and please send me some questions. I'd love to answer them when I'm on the road doing my job. Thank you.